Welcome to a new series of videos on Travel with a Wise Guy, and we're calling it Small Town USA. And the idea of these videos are these are towns that are small in population still, maybe getting smaller, but they're not ghost towns yet. But they have a lot of historical significance, or they're very cool places to check out and walk around. One of my favorite things to do in a place like this is to check out the old buildings in the downtown area. So let's take a walk through downtown, and I'll tell you a little bit about Madison, Kansas. The first thing you notice when walking around Madison is all of the red brick everywhere. It's pretty incredible. You see references to Red Brick City around town, and so it's quite impressive, all the red brick. But let's talk about Madison. So Madison is located in Greenwood County, Kansas, which is kind of in the eastern central part of Kansas. And it's in the northern part of Greenwood County, a couple miles from Lyon County to the north. So in this area, in 1855, Madison County was established. This was before Kansas was a state. Kansas became a state in 1861. And when that happened, Madison County was abolished, and this became Greenwood County. And the county seat, which was originally in this area before, when it was a territory, got moved to Eureka, Kansas, which is about 20 miles south of here. So the first effort to establish a town called Madison was in 1872, and it was about a mile and a half north of here. And then in 1879, this was moved to here to line up with the railroad. It was the Atchison, Topeka, and Santa Fe Railroad. It went from Emporia to Howard. So they wanted to line up the town so that it would be right along the railroad here. It got its name from Madison Township, which was the original name of this area. And I don't know where the word Madison came from, if it was maybe James Madison or what they named Madison after. But it's been Madison since the 1850s. So there's currently 689 people that live in Madison, and it is the second largest town in Greenwood County. So it's a small county. The whole county has about 6,000 people, and Madison is the second largest at 689. It grew in population until about 1930, and at that time it peaked at around 1,400, and then slow and steady decline from that point, mostly because the oil boom came in at that time, and then after that was over, there was just like I said, a slow and steady decline to the current of 689. Very cool town to walk around and check out.